Maybach music.
All right. It's been a long time for one of these, but I had to do it real quick, not the normal spot. But I got something from Blue Ribbon. We're gonna take this journey together. I ain't seen a lot of people do these yet, so I figured I'd do my own foot for everybody. And you know how they were. They did sell out soon after. Nice watch. Definitely looking at the other boxes. Can't see. Much different than I thought when I first seen it. Not bad. Color looks kind of purple. Now I see why the purple came in. A little fur on it. Nothing extra in the box.
Maybach music.
Just this. Probably can't see, but it says a million emperor who inspired us to all continue to fight for a cure. From that far back here, you probably won't see it. If you can, I'll leave it in. Then I'll get to that on foot. Real short and sweet.
As a kid, I had a lot of money. Knotted up, rubber band money. Next to the Xbox, thrown in my Jordan box. I think it was my 13s, something that I rarely rock. White and black high top, I used to wear the high socks. Back when I was ballin', shooting threes for $1. I was hustling niggas back then, buying mama scratch and win, stacking my ends, trying to get that Robinson, cause Pop was robbing Pete and them back then. I mean back when he was in my life, I still had to fend. For my life, it was do or die. Dickie pants, a suit and tie. Let me decide which way to go. Change this tire, way this out to the day I expire. So, BCG's Russell, blue collar to the buckle on my just done. Midwest nigga with the low song. Been getting this since Voltron. Kung Fu grip, both arms. When it comes to getting this paper, I'm like Kobe and LeBron. Coops and roses, flowers for the dead. Fresh, may we bow our heads, give thanks for this bread. Lord, keep us safe and our families out the feds. My OG asked this square, and this is what he said. He said, coops and roses, flowers for the dead. Fresh, may we bow our head, give thanks for this bread. Lord, keep us safe and our families out the feds. My OG asked this square, and this is what he said. Expensive habits, I'm an addict for golden kicks. Leather parkers and dark-skinned chicks. What can I say? I like to floss a bit. Spend money like a faucet drip. Sweatpants and top 10s like a Boston knit. Everybody say I'm awesome shit. I'm just making money talking this. Never made 1 cent off of tossing a brick. I hustled honest, got my hands dirty, clean my wrist. Gold yacht, no boat, still the motion is sick. Blue collar, clean and holler, automatic, no stick. In case they trip, automatics with grip, protect position.